This video is made possible by Skillshare. This video is made for a robotics project and all the jokes are meant for entertainment purpose only. Okay, here's the intro. Hello, my name is Jedi and you're watching Disney Channel. Recently we're hit by this thing called COVID-19. People are required to wear masks all the time. It's also mandatory to wear a mask inside the building or even public transportation to prevent the spread of the virus. And so our project is called COVID Mask Door. It's basically a door that opens whenever a person is wearing a mask. For this project, we use NVIDIA Jetson Developer Kit as our image classification tools. But before we dive into technical details, let me tell you something about the Jetson Nano Kit. Introducing the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. It's a small computer containing a powerful GPU. It will be a game changer for your life. It runs a lot of the different neural networks from popular machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Caffe. It includes a full Linux desktop with a graphic acceleration. The NVIDIA Jetson Nano allows users to train, optimize, and deploy AI software. And then we can do cool things like this. By using an image classification method, the Jetson Nano can determine whether a person is wearing a mask or not. The magic behind this is called neural network. The artificial neural network are widely used in machine learning. They comprise of layers of variables called nodes, each of which carry a positive or negative numerical value. Inputs of the network trigger the patterns of the connection between the nodes, which are used to generate an output. There are two phases of the operation, known as training and inference. In the training phase, the network is presented with many inputs. This will establish a set of connections between inputs and outputs. In our project, we present the network with the pictures of people wearing and not wearing the mask. Once the network is trained, the inference phase of the network will be able to infer that, given the picture of someone's face, the network can determine whether the person is wearing a mask or not, with a degree of confidence, aka probability. From the NVIDIA free course, we are right now using the Jupyter Lab for coding. The first thing that we do is to execute the camera code. And in the next cell, we're going to decide what kind of project we want to do. In this case, we're going to detect mask and no mask. And we're gonna set up the directory. And then we're gonna create the collection tool widget so that we can easily collect the data. And this is where PyTorch comes in for deep learning. And the next cell is the live execution widget. This allows us to see how the model is analyzed to the camera. For the training and evaluation cell is for data training. And lastly, we code the servo motor to move according to the inputs. And after this, we're going to see the demonstration by Mr. Nitin.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Done.
What career? But I'm not a rapper. What career? Bop. Bada bop boom pow.
To conclude, our project went very well because we could classify people wearing masks or whether they're not wearing masks, and because of that we can open the door when a person is wearing a mask.
When?
Yes.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Yeah,
Do it, do it.
bro.
Let's go.